Any good fights lately? Well, I do miss it. Nufu teaches stillness. I prefer action. Hey, when you carry my weapon, I fight alongside you.
Just trying to go to the hardware store. Yes! Flying high.
Gigamart, we have everything, so if I can just sell 1,000 more, our owner might notice me.
Hi, I'm Stelle Ingenious. Wanna fight?
Go ahead. Underestimate me. It makes this more fun. Bring her about! I've got another salvo in me.
My battle days are over, but my weapon. Go make some more stories, then come back and tell me. Enjoy the thrill of battle. Well, you can.
A tasty bit of trash! Watch the skies! Watch your back! Ah!
Upgrade everything, even me.
Cast aside your deathstrument! Use that for the good of all. Your aura guided me to what you needed.
Let's stress test our gear, yeah?
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist. Like my crew says at the bar, another round!
The smaller proportions, the fine. You're a smart one for your size. You want to buy that? I mean, excellent choice.
Smart shoppers buy vintage. New is for suckers. They don't make these like they used to.
I'm trying to study here. Can you please, like, die? Hey! If I could just sleep for 1 hour. Hey! Can you knock me out?
The better I get, the more I can help.
Our items have lived. They have stories.
Reward the peaceful, punish the warful. You're not ready to accept the light, and that's okay.
Got a few new designs I want to try. Let me know what you think. What specs are you running? Oh, good luck. Let me make it up to you. Free repairs at my workshop. We make tech as good as it can be, and then we make it better.
Gigamart's owner is the ultimate businessman. Take the deal. If you buy one more, I might get promoted. No pressure, though.
The lads will never let me forget this.
Delightful to see you, darling.
I certainly don't have a use for it.
Get good so you can do good.
There are a lot of steps in this staircase, but it's beautiful up there.
Want to get lunch after this? Is that weird?
You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago. Next time, boys, less blunder, more plunder.
Take your time. I'm pretty laid back. Oh, delivery's free. I like the exercise.
I'm finished with fighting, but I can help you finish a fight. The Bazaar is not kind to the weaponless.
You have to try this hot sauce. You have to! I don't understand! You don't like peppers?
Now, if I can just learn how to talk to people.
Food is life. Our bodies, with all the fighting out there, you
don't have time not to buy this.
Just a little friendly sparring, right?
These are my hunting grounds. Find your own. Fought gigabears that hit softer than you. Impressive.
Small things remind me of seeds, acorns, home. GSMM Manual, page 320. Don't let feelings blind you to profit.
I'm almost sure that was a good trade.
Now I see. Ah, if my family saw this, they'd be furious.
Thanks for trusting me. I hope we can do this again.
Thank you.
What else can I get for you? You've just taken the first step. I think that suits you beautifully. Shall I gift wrap it for you? Buyer's remorse never. Be remorseless.
I'll fly rings around you.
My dreams are too big for you to steal. And I still lost? Well, time to make some sales. Success isn't about money.
Small items, small people. I love them all. Is it because I talk too slow?
Not many come here. Even fewer leave. Compost I am not.
Watch out, Tantius Industries. Stelle's workshop's on the rise.
I was born in a volcano, all right. I know my incendiaries. If it melts through your pack, I'm not liable.
Discounts for peace! I'm so glad we could share this experience today. You are enough, friend. But I'm glad you bought this. I can feel our energies resonating.
Now that's a healthy diet.
Oh, you want to help me test my designs?
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobodies. All cannon, no ball.
Come on in. Let's chat.
have to leave already?
Hey, Uncle Odie. Maybe I'll be training you soon. Every time I go outside, something wants trouble.
Living markets, just trade boulders. This is more fun.
This community service stuff doesn't exactly pay.
Gold becomes goods, then returns to gold, like clouds to the sea.
Leave airships to the professionals and come get your allowance.
Yeah, I've been working out. What specs are you running? Oh, good luck.
I have faced 82 foes exactly like you. People are a pattern. Just behind the veil, my family waits for me.
Ye look like cloud-top scum to me. Now we deserve no mercy. Eat up!
Every test improves the design.
You see what I did for Mrs. Gorlak's grocery drone? Doubled its capacity! This is what your granddad believed in, upgrading people's lives.
I would only sell these if you listen to their lore. Should only take a week. Oh, I have not cursed any of my items.
Is this a social situation? I'm not great at those.
Please, you don't want to do this. I hurt you. I'm sorry. I have a sickness.
I would tell you, the Bazaar is more than a city. It is their plaything.
Big show for you tonight. Big show. Now, get out of here and keep winning.
Okay, go away, please. That's a 24% increase in fuel efficiency.
Greetings, mortal. What can I get you? A gift from the Empyrean. Well, I guess you did pay for it. This was not a transaction. It was a lesson. Use this wisely, mortal, because it was expensive.
After I break all your stuff, I'd be happy to repair it.
are so much. Let me lift you up, back onto your path.
This might have been a mistake.
My lessons are painful. Are you prepared? You must first defeat your doubt.
Every day on these streets teaches me so much.
Temper, sharpen, reinforce.
Are you worthy to carry the Founder's legacy? Show me. Who sold you those weapons? I must know.
I got everything you need. Just a matter of finding it. That's been sitting there 20 years, waiting for you. Well, you're doing your part to clean up the bazaar. Warms my rusty circuits to see that find a home. Hooey! Now that's a bargain.
I'd rather build stuff than break it, but inventions need testing.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms. Defeat does not defeat me.
Aleha has no idea how much we have to learn.
I doubted a non-Sphinxian could learn that. Impressive.
Hope I didn't hurt it too bad.
Come with no weapons? Leave with... You are enough, friend. But I'm glad you bought this. I'm so glad we could share this experience today.
When we're done here, stop by my shop for a tune-up.
Go ahead. Underestimate me. It makes this more fun. Bravery without strength is a sword without a blade.
I wish my sister could see this. To wipe that smirk off her face.